This video is designed to help teachers convert percentage grades to letter grades using the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel 2010. The VLOOKUP function searches or looks up information and applies corresponding data to a particular cell. This function is particularly useful in converting percentage grades to letter grades. For this demonstration, I am using a generic gradebook that I manually created. I have already assigned the point value for the assignments and created and applied the formula for the percentage grades. Rather than using a complicated if-then function to calculate the conversion, I will populate a grading scale according to my school's grading system. The VLOOKUP function requires the table to be sorted in ascending order. To create the grading scale, simply enter the lowest percentage grade that corresponds to the letter grade. Enter the letter grade starting with the lowest letter grade. Enter the corresponding lowest percent in ascending order. After you have created your grading scale, you can apply the VLOOKUP function to your percentage grades. In the first blank final grade letter cell, enter equals VLOOKUP to open the function. Enter an open-ended parentheses. This should generate a format frame showing the four required criteria. First, click on the cell with the percentage score you wish to convert. Enter a comma to separate this data. Next, highlight the table with the information to look up. Press F4 to convert this range to an absolute reference. If this does not work, type the $ before the column and row of each entry in the range. This will ensure that the data stays fixed. Enter a comma to separate this data. You now need to choose the column with the corresponding data you wish to apply to your percentage. In this example, this is column 2, letter grade, so I enter 2. Enter a comma to separate this data. A drop-down menu now appears. Select True Approximate Match. This ensures that those values between our lowest percentages return a letter grade. Finally, end the function with a closing parentheses and click Enter. You now have your first converted grade. Pull the formulas through the list and you have easily converted your percentage grades to letter grades. Happy grading!